Friday. We have the day of driving now. Lots of road time. We're all done with our jobs and we're heading to Black Hills, South Dakota. We're gonna go on a little adventure ride tomorrow morning. So let's see how that ends up. Well guys, we made it to the pinnacle of our week-long adventure. This is Adventure Rentals here, Hill City, South Dakota. We're gonna be taking out some Razor 1000s, doing some trail riding. Howdy howdy. We're here to get our rentals.
Here to get your rentals? Cool.
Yep.
You can take these out with you. You're gonna go out the store here. Chloe's got your machines ready for you.
We're ready to rock and roll. Gonna hit the trail. So we're up here taking a little break, but the Ranger standard 1000 secondary clutch, something's up with it. Just doesn't have a lot of power, so they're gonna be up here soon to swap us out. But this XP Turbo, this is the ticket if you're ever looking at getting something to rip your lips off. Here's the rig. I'll put a little plug in for players. This thing is phenomenal. We've been finally got up and running after getting the Razor 1000 XP going, and had a bad deal happen. Flat tire on the Razor Pro. And on top of it, Drake's saying no brakes on the new rig.
Brakes are dead.
Oh man. That's number 3 problem we've had out here, but we haven't been driving them that hard. It's just running into some problems. Are you guys having a good time though?
Yeah. It's all about the experience.
Yeah, right? This is the
bonding.
Continuing on our adventure of the week, right? So we got the guys coming to send a rescue vehicle, get us fixed up again and going, but until then we gotta wait. I heard a hissing sound.
Nice. I promise.
Who knows what happened here? There's no brakes on it though.
Yeah.
Well, should we limp this down the hill?
Yeah.
There we go.
Dude, I can't even start it.
Put it in park.
It's in park.
Safety?
Brake's dead.
Oh, it needs brake pressure. Pump it up.
Huh?
Pump it. And then hold it.
Did nothing.
Unbelievable. I better update the coordinates.
cable.
Now we can't start it to even move.
Hey,
Try
is
it.
it in park?
It is in park.
Try it.
Here we go.
Alright.
So brake.
Dandy Chuck. That's why we have him here.
This is why Chuck is the certified master mechanic. Was this a
What
bad
did you do?
connection?
It was a brake switch.
So
in
now
other
do we
words,
have brakes?
We didn't have enough pressure to apply the switch, and so I disconnected the plug and then shorted it out with my pliers. So
Okay.
it thought it had brake pressure.
But it probably still doesn't.
It doesn't have brakes.
No, it doesn't have
didn't
brakes.
fix that. It just,
Drake,
it just
still don't have brakes.
Still don't got brakes. But
Keep it under 50.
I'll keep it at low.
we just tricked it into.
I don't think we've been over 50 this whole drive because it's just like I can't see anything behind you. So
The adventure continues. I don't think I would have thought of that, Chuck. I'm impressed. I'm just gonna say it. Well, we're gonna go for a nice slow scenic drive. Dude, I was really having fun. I thought Chuck would break everything. Me and Drake are breaking everything. Chuck, in case you didn't know, is notorious for wrecking and breaking. But he's a good driver, good racer. He's got more experience than all of us in his pinky. And we're rolling. Not great though. We're gonna be coated in gray. Your seatbelt mark.
what are you talking about? Look at my sunglasses, Mark.
That one trail was really dusty. That was a steep incline.
Yeah.
Nice lookout at the top. Got our new tire on.
Did he just change the whole wheel?
Yeah, he just jacked. I mean, he had that thing changed in 3 minutes or less. Well, guys, what do you think?
That was fun.
Good adventure ride right there.
Definitely must do.
Yeah.
Out here in the Black Hills.
Check that off the bucket list, but we
Right.
might want to come back and do it again.
Yeah. There's 4,000 something miles.
So, yeah.
Trails.
This adventure rentals place, way to go when you come out here. So check them out. We're gonna blow ourselves off here. See how dirty you are.
Do I not have the line anymore?
Oh, dust.
Good thing I brought shorts.
Yeah. We made it, Drake. High five.
Good job, team.
High five, Chuck. 3 jobs, 6 days, had some fun adventures. Now time to take a day off. So that's what we're gonna do. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. We'll catch you next time.